Welcome to Pitogo Cliffs Siquijor, where we capture moments that last a lifetime.
On the afternoon of our second day at Siquijor, we explored one of Siquijor's hidden gems, Pitogo Cliff. We were also amazed by the natural beauty and the wonder of this place. And one thing that really caught our attention, this plant that's all around the area. It's my first time seeing it in person. It's only here that I learned it's called the Pitogo plant, a living fossil. Can you believe? Pero ang tanong, bakit nga ba tinawag ang lugar na ito na Pitogo Cliff? That's a good question. And the answer is that the name comes from a Pitogo plant, a rare and ancient species that grew abundantly around the area. The Pitogo is a type of cycad. Cycads, like Pitogo, had been around since the time of the dinosaurs, over 280 million years ago. They're known for their slow growth and long lifespan. Sadly, due to habitat loss and overharvesting, Pitogo plants have become quite rare in many places, and they are now considered as threatened species. But not here in Pitogo Cliff. Kami dahil baguhan at really amazed of everything that we saw, ay pa-picture dito, pa-picture doon. Kahit sa ang corner, picture na picture. We're making every moment count kasi hindi namin alam kung makabalik pa kami dito. At least we captured the moment. At dahil napaka-breathtaking ng view ng dagat, kahit tirik na tirik ang araw, tiniis namin makapag-picture lang. Kahit halos matunaw na mukha namin sa init, pero pag-click ng camera, ngiti agad. Pero kahit anong ganda pa ng lugar, kailangan na naming umalis kasi may pupuntahan pa kami. Our adventure doesn't stop here at Pitogo Cliff. Yes, hindi pa natatapos ang aming Siquijor adventure. Hope you could join us on our next adventure. This is still Rain's Chronicle, telling you things that matter. Don't forget to follow, like, and share. Until next time, bye!